All right, what is going on, guys? Hey, I'm going to be starting a brand new YouTube series along with my high ticket and my ClickBank series. What I try to find is products that convert, products that I can actually make money with, prove that they actually work before introducing them to you guys here on my YouTube channel. So I'm actually going to be putting together how we're going to go ahead and market this $25 product. So it's all in one. It's a $25 product. And you guys can be able to check that out. And I've actually been working with this company over the last year because I was trying to see if their $25 product, like they say, can actually turn into what they're talking about is, can you create a $100,000 yearly residual income in 12 months or less, okay? That's what I was curious if that would actually happen and if I could do it. So, and it turns out I am pretty damn close. So far, what this system is, basically it's $25 per month. So basically you just need literally one sell, because not only this $25 business that they're talking about here, they will give you 80% residuals. That means every single month you will get $20 for each person that you sign up with, the company itself only taking $5, which is basically unheard of in the affiliate marketing type industry, which is absolutely mind-boggling. So it's right here. It says getting you to $100,000 a year in 12 months or less. So my question is, and check this out. This is possible here with just a few sales. 1 to 2 sales per week is all that it takes to get to that $100,000 mark. Now, let's take a look, and I want to show you guys where I'm at so far with this system. So they're talking about 100K in 12 months. And if you guys, I will refresh my page up here just to show you guys that this is live, no fake numbers, it's all pulled in. And we'll take a look at this bad boy right here. I am only $15,000 more away from breaking that $100,000 mark with this business, which is absolutely ridiculous on a $25 product. So I'm going to actually teach you guys, if you guys are looking for a low cost startup business, this is going to be it. For $25 per month is absolutely insane. They have landing page builders, all kind of stuff that's built into it. This is by far, you're not going to get anywhere near any other affiliate marketing program are you going to be able to get for $25, where the sales funnels are done for you, the pre-written emails are done for you, the customer service, the ad copy, everything. And literally, God, this system is amazing, guys. You've got to go and join this. I'm going to be breaking this down. Now I want to show you some examples here. This is what I'm looking forward to right here, is just one sell. One sell turns into $74,000. Now this is like on a weekly basis, right? So one sell per week will turn into $74,800 per year. 2 sales will turn into $140,000. If you guys can get just 3 sales, which you can, I average like 10 sales per day or more on most of my affiliate products. I've just started promoting this one recently. So two sales per week can produce an ongoing yearly income of 150 G's. That's absolutely ridiculous, okay? So one sale per week can generate you nearly $75,000. This is an amazing program. I have joined it now, and I wanted to make sure it works before I bring it out to you guys. But so far, what they're showing and what they're displaying actually works. So check that out. A little over $85,000 so far. Since joining, guys, absolutely insane. Love the product. So I'm going to show you guys how to put everything together, how to promote this. So we're gonna have a brand new series. It's going to be called something like the all-in-one $25 business. I'm going to put a link for you guys to go sign up for this directly below. Go sign up. It's only 25 bucks. And you're not going to regret it. So look forward to this, and look forward to the upcoming video series. I'm going to show you guys and teach you step by step how to promote this and how I was actually able to break that $85,000 mark already. But it's only a $25 product. Absolutely fantastic. Go check it out, guys. I'm going to put the link directly below this, and we'll get this new series started. We'll get a lot of you guys joining, making a whole boatload of money on only $25 a month. Absolutely insane. Super stoked. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.